it's actually now morning, but guess who is sick? Me. I'm sick. Your girl is sick. This is very weird, but I don't got COVID. I took a test. I'm chilling. So I'm just gonna be doing a day in my life. I was really sick yesterday, like it was so freaking bad, but today I'm like back to normal, except my throat kind of hurts and my body temperature, I don't know how to act. It keeps going up and it keeps going down. Like it keeps going like this. Like one moment I'm sweating my ass off and then the next moment I have to take off my shirt because I'm too hot. I just edited and I'm about to upload one of my vlogs that I made last week. Anyways, my skin has been doing actually quite really good, so I feel really good about that. I've been using like different skincare products. Anyways, we're gonna be cooking because I have not eaten yet, and I said good morning this morning, but it's actually not morning. It's 3 p.m. Also, I'm putting up my Christmas tree today, so I'm very excited. I might have to have some friends come over to help with that. I don't know where in the apartment I'm gonna put the tree, but I'm gonna be making some EveryPlate. They sent me a package, and so I'm gonna be making one of their meals. I'm so freaking excited. Okay, so they sent me 3 meals, but I'm gonna be doing the Southwest pork flautas. I have no idea how to pronounce it, but it looks like this. It looks so freaking delicious. As soon as I saw it, it was like love at first sight. All right, so EveryPlate sends you all the ingredients in a box like this. Very, very convenient and easy. But the good thing about EveryPlate is that it is so freaking affordable. The amount you pay to make EveryPlate meals is literally 50% of how much you would pay to make like a regular meal. But yeah, you guys have to try EveryPlate. They have so many different recipes. And on top of that, it's super, super quick to cook. So if you're just like me and you're lazy and you want to save money, EveryPlate is clutch. Also want to mention that everything is pre-portioned, so you're not wasting any food. That's my favorite part. Like I'm not wasting any food. I use everything in here and it's freaking delicious. So I need a lime, garlic, a tomato, a yellow onion, sour cream, tortillas, chicken stock, Southwest spice, and some cheese. All right, we've got all the ingredients laid out. Let's prep them. Why does mine look nothing like the photo? Okay, but it smells really freaking good. Anyways guys, make sure you guys try EveryPlate. It's basically like spending $179 per meal. So go to everyplate.com and use the code Sandy179. So yeah, everyplate.com and use my code Sandy179. Anyways, let's give this a bite and see how we feel about it. Whoa, that is so freaking good. 10 out of 10, you guys need to try this. You know what though? How would this be with sriracha? Let's try it. In case you guys are wondering, Chloe's not home. I haven't really been home the past week because my cousins from out of town have been here and I've been like sleeping over and stuff. I just dropped her off at my parents and so she's been there for like a week. I'm probably gonna pick her up tomorrow. Right now, I actually feel really good, but my body is still really weak right now. But I miss my Chloe bear. We're gonna watch some New Girl. No.
Hey.
Do y'all see the time right now? It is 4:17 and it is dark as hell. I am suffering from loss of energy because I'm so tired. I forgot to tell you guys how I got sick. Pretty sure it was because I've been outside quite a bit recently. Recently I went to Madison Beer's concert. We had to walk from the car to the concert and it was very cold and I was wearing a dress. So I don't know, it's not that crazy, but yeah, I think that's how I got sick. I'm probably gonna do the Christmas tree after I take a nap. I'll be right back, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna do my makeup because if I look cute, hopefully I'll feel better. It is 6:30. I didn't even take a nap. I just laid in bed. We're gonna do my makeup, make me look cute so I can feel cute again. Ew. I'm feeling so much better though, no cap. Yesterday I was practically like dead, but today, you know, I've got more personality, more pizzazz. I did it. Anyways, my friends, they're gonna come help with the tree, but first we're all gonna go eat somewhere first. I think it's just gonna be me, Jewel, Tris, and Nat. Can't even tell I was sick. I'm going through that thing right now. My body is just like hella sweating right now. Baddies, we're gonna go eat some food with my friends because I know they miss me. It's very cold. Hey, hey, bestie. Hey.
It's like it's winter.
It's very cold. So like,
we're at McDonald's.
I guess we're getting McDonald's. We got Tris back here. Yep, we got Nat and Jewel. This is not what I was expecting.
You gotta at least eat unhealthy once a month to be healthy.
Exactly.
Yeah, it cancels out.
What? Cancels out what?
It's okay, Tris. I understood what you said.
Only complex minds understand.
Hey everyone, we got Trisha here. Come Trisha. Hey, y'all remember Trisha from high school? We're BFFs now, so.
Well, we dead BFFs. You talking about?
Why are you so hurt?
I know what you talking about.
Why are you so hurt? That's what I meant, guys. Ben BFFs for lifers. Here, Trisha. You got this. You got this.
You got a problem.
Hey, don't tell me it can't come out.
It's not gonna work, dude. The math isn't mathing.
Trisha, why would you think it could come out?
No, even Nat's gonna say no. Oh, never mind. The math is mathing.
It's working.
Oh.
Trisha, I can't believe you didn't think it would fit.
Get the scissors. I literally was digging through my little storage bin. All over dead.
Tris, did you think we were gonna help you? Just kidding.
I'm not.
I'm just kidding.
Do you think we want to hang out?
Seriously. Wow. I like it like this. Maybe I won't put the other two pieces on. Wow! This
is fucking cute. It's cute.
Oh, this is fucking cute.
It's so bad. He's shaking so bad.
Oh my god! I love it!
We haven't even.
My ornament's cute as heck!
Ew, do you want gold ones too?
Yeah.
Are these glass?
Wow.
Are these glass?
Let me switch this light.
No, I'm gonna.
Wow. Alright guys, the tree is done. It fits perfectly. We're gonna watch this video with all of us. Oh yeah, Nat, you're not in it.
I look so gross in this video.
My makeup looks very different.
Bro, you know my aunt saw this video?
Oh.
Bro, you fucking spelled my name wrong!
Tristan.
What? Tristan?
Tristan?
My name's not fucking Tristan.
Wait, so I just missed the T, right?
Yeah.
Tristan.
Ew. Guys, isn't this a vibe? Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I honestly feel so much better now. I barely even feel sick. Anyways, I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys haven't already. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And comment below something so I can see and respond. Anyways, I love you guys. Bye. Mwah.
I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when I'm in